Update on the chickens. Hound dog's gotta patrol things. We're a lot bigger now. Oh, there's the patrol. Yeah, you're the patrol. It's okay. Okay. They're not the smartest chickens, but they're figuring it out. Hey, hey. Kate, come here. Leave them. Leave them. Gotta leave them. They eventually make their way back around. That cream-colored one is the feather-footed one. Here comes the original, Scooby. Yeah, you're the original. You can see how much smaller they are by comparison whenever they stand next to each other. Yeah, I know, you're the boss. Definitely a pecking order has been established here. She'll chase them around and peck at them, and they'll squawk a little bit, but ultimately they're adjusting really well. And what I did here, because she was the last chicken left of the first bit, and what I kept the baby chicks down in this area right here, and so what you see is I've got a 2x4 with some hardware wire and some stakes into the ground, and then I stapled it up at the top to keep them separated but also able to see each other. But now obviously they're all integrated, so we're just trying to get them happy together, which they seem to be doing really well.